So now we're going to go into our next tutorial and we're going to look at how different input values of our sequence are attended to differently based on how we modulate that gain, that z vector. So this is going to be our first exercise looking at a cross attention head, but then we're going to keep going and look at how and where that gain actually comes from. Okay, so we're now going to be starting our first exercise in our tutorial about attention by looking at how signals can be used to gate inputs. This is the essence of attention. And so for this first exercise, we really want you to see how a dot product can give you different weights for different input dimensions. And for convenience and simplicity's sake, we're going to be taking the example of a cross attention head. We're going to be looking at how the gain is generated as self-attention head in the next exercise. But for now, we're basically going to give you this external gain factor. And these gains Z1 and Z2 are basically attending on our vectors Q1 and Q2. And so we want you to play around with the sliders and look at how gain modulates the type of attention that's being basically partitioned for different input features of your sequence.